Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing well this beautiful Thursday morning. My name is Dev Karlikar, and on behalf of Guru Schools, I welcome you all. I appreciate you investing your time. For today, the topic of discussion on which we will be having an introductory session is a little long name. The abbreviated name is BA, PM, SAFE, PO, and the prolonged name is Business Analysis, Project Management, Safe, Scale, Agile, and Product Owner. Okay, what you see on a screen is what the track is about. Now, in today's evolving IT landscape, all these four skills are very popular. And in light of remote working and in light of multitasking, the management is seeking a hybrid skill set. Many of these skills are overlapping in nature. And hence, the demand and popularity for this skill is growing in leaps and bounds. So rather than having one skill, the hiring manager will appreciate if you bring multiple skills on the table. And this is what this track is about, and this is what we will be training those candidates who will be enrolling with us over the next at least 3 months. Why 3 months? Because these are 4 skill sets. Okay. I always ask for what's the prerequisite. That's people ask, and I also mention. Well, ideally, those who have started their career into customer service or into business analysis, any general administration, client management, account management role, this is an easy transformation towards molding yourself into this role. Okay. Otherwise, nobody learns in mother's womb. All it requires is an open mind, willingness to learn, fire in the belly, and your appetite to make that 6-figure. Right? In light of millions of unemployment in the job market, it's always better to have an edge over the supply of the available resources. And by having hybrid skills and multiple skills, you definitely have an advantage. Now, let me give you a brief backdrop of Guru Schools. As the name suggests, www.guruschools.com. We are a modern marketplace in the form of ancient Gurukul education. We strongly believe that education is one strength. Once it comes to you, it stays with you forever. And by sharing, it grows multifold. What we do at Guru Schools, we bring you world-class information technology, education, training to the ambitious people like you, giving you a good blend of theory and practical experience. For many of you who are experienced or lateral resources, for you, this is a great way of upskilling yourself, meaning learning new things, unlearning old dated things, and relearning what is important. This is what the future is. So by you staying on an emerging skill sets, you're also basically getting more bang for your buck. That is more money, and also reshaping your career. Okay. At Guru Schools, we are known for our 6 pillars. This is our USP, this is our uniqueness. Our 6 pillars basically are focused towards your job placement than the mere training. Our first pillar is basically training. That training varies from 6-8 weeks to 10 to 12 weeks minimum, depending upon the course track and the complexity of the course. The second pillar is course completion diploma certificate. Along with that, if any one of you wants to get yourself certified, you could do that too. The third pillar is reference ready resume preparation. This is the face of your candidacy. If your resume is not properly written, and if it does not have proper references, basically you will not have enough visibility for your candidacy and you will have difficulty getting a job. Then the fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation. The vendor interview preparation, in which basically you will be talking to many Indian outsourcing companies where we already have preferred vendorship. We already vendor with them. They are talking to you not because of you, they are talking to you because of the ecosystems of Guru Schools, our minority status, our vendorship with them. And hence, you are getting considered for the role, for the opportunity. Then comes the fifth pillar, that is the client interview. Here, the vendor is equally interested in pitching for your candidacy and getting your job for a few reasons. Number one, they understand that you have been formally trained and you will be supported by the trainer. They also understand that you are coming from a minority business so that they can spend that reservation spend on us. So they look good because the corporate America wants to spend more and more money for the minority business, reservation, as we popularly call in India. Last but not the least, you will be much cheaper than your lateral counterpart who are already working, and hence they will be submitting you so that they can make more money. The sixth pillar is basically project support. For up to 6 months, you will be getting that much needed support so that you could stay on a project and sustain that work environment. As a company policy, 10% of our earning goes for various community causes in the USA as well as India, because that's what my heritage is. Now, apart from this BA, PM, SAFE, PO track, we also offer various technology-focused practice areas in no particular order. .NET Full Stack, Agile Scrum Master, Android iOS development, Big Data, Business Analysis, Business Intelligence Visualization Reporting tools such as Power BI, Tableau, Qlik, Snowflake, Cloud DevOps, Cybersecurity, Front-end UI UX design development, Informatica Cloud, data warehousing, Java Full Stack, microservices, MuleSoft integration, Oracle, NetSuite ERP, project management, Python data science, robotics process automation using UiPath, Salesforce administration, Salesforce development, and Workday human capital management. We have also extended our offering in pharmaceutical healthcare domain because we are headquartered here in New Jersey. Courses like biostatistician, clinical trial data management, SAS, validation quality management, these are some of our other courses. Now, as you can see, most of these courses are pretty much in demand. They get easily consumed by the Fortune 5000 firms in corporate America, and hence we are opting for these courses. There is more demand, less supply, and we find that sweet spot towards helping you find a career. As I mentioned to you, depending upon the training, the duration varies. Okay, if it's one of the skills, like say Salesforce admin or Power BI reporting, we will complete that in about 8 weeks. But when you have 2, 3, 4 different technologies, it will take minimum 3.5 months. Okay. The intent here is not to throw some videos at you, get some money, and then we are gone. The intent here is to hold your hand and take you to the finish line, which is to help you get a job and to make sure you stay on a job successfully. Okay. I was talking about the training, more deep diving into it. So depending upon the technology track, it varies anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks to about 12 weeks. These training courses, they run across the weekdays and weekends, every alternate day. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. One day for you to digest, for revise, for complete the homework. The importance here is not to give you mere training. The importance here is to take you to the finish line. Now, this training will be free for you if you're looking to work for us on our project. We are investing in you thousands of dollars, whether it's a mere training of 2 months or 3 months, whether it is to award your diploma certificate on behalf of Guru Schools Training Academy, or to help you get certified in a track or in a product which you're eyeing for, whether it is to help you prepare with a reference-ready resume preparation, whether it is to helping you for vendor interview preparation or client interview preparation, or to give you a 6 months of project support. It does cost money. Nothing is free. We are making investment in you. And as you start making money, we start recovering our investment. As I often say, Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. Definitely, we would love to place you, as many of you, as quicker as we can. But end of the day, it is you, your career, you needs a job. So unless you give 100% and unless you work with us as a team, unless you follow the process, it will be that much difficult for you to get a job. It's not mere training. Along with the training, it is other tracks which are running parallelly, whether it is resume preparatory session, vendor interview preparatory session, client interview session, mock interview session, LinkedIn makeover sessions, and so many other things. You need to attend those sessions. If not, it will be that much difficult. Okay. While doing so, what are we doing? Well, it's our way of giving it back to the corporate America by investing in people. Because while doing so, we are reducing the unemployment, which has been increasing post-pandemic. We're also product partner for various companies. So, as I said, certification, yes, we can help you. We work with various local, small, micro, small, mid-sized clients for hotel, motel, restaurant owners, healthcare practitioners for their website design, development, promotions. Some of these, if not all of this, becomes a project as and when you are seeking training. Now, these are difficult times because of COVID-19 pandemic, the global recession, millions of job losses in the USA, Canada, as well as India. We are doing our best towards helping as many people as we can. By making it free, it does help. Otherwise, on an average, this entire 6 pillars will cost you about 12 grand, if not more. in every adversity comes the opportunity. I mean, I strongly believe that. So if you look at the positive side of it, is because of the pandemic, it taught corporate America, corporate Canada, as well as corporate India that everything can be done remote. So in light of the tight budget, in light of remote working, the employers are looking for qualified resources who can work within their reduced budget remotely. This means it's a golden opportunity for many of you. Otherwise, because of some family constraint, timing constraint, you cannot spend a lot of time commuting. Now you, along with your spouse, both of you can work, shouldering some of the family responsibilities and family chores too. Okay. And with the help of Guru School 6 pillars, I can assure you, each one of you will get an opportunity, provided you want to work. Okay. As I mentioned, we are unique, where majority of the companies will just throw some videos and they are gone. In about 4 weeks, they are gone. We stay with you, we hold your hand till you are with us, till you want to be with us, until you get the job and you sustain on your job. Okay, it's a union, it's a family ecosystem. That's where the name Guru Schools. It's a Gurukul. We want you to become a fine man, fine woman, and we want you to hold your hand until you can do things on your own. Now, everybody has their own style of working, operating, as well as everybody has different needs. We understand that. So unlike other companies who are looking to make quick bucks on you, we are more focused on your career guided employment. Okay. This training is a subset towards helping you to get a job, so that we take you to that finish line. You not only get the theoretical, practical experience, but as and when you secure a job, we make sure you stay on a job. With the help of our trainer, you're able to do that. Okay. I see in today's session, many of you have joined. I appreciate that. This is our first introductory class. It's an overview session. So what do you expect? Well, what you expect is like a movie trailer. What you will be learning over the next 3 months, a condensed format or a summarized format will be shown to you over the next 1 hour. Okay, hold on to your questions and hold on to your inquiries towards the tail end. Once the trainers are done with their presentation, we will be having a questions and answer round where we'll be happy to take your questions. For those who could not join, because I still see a handful of the people who have RSVP'd have not joined, we will be posting a recorded session. It will be made available on our website as well as on our YouTube channel, Facebook page, as well as LinkedIn page. So I suggest you please subscribe or please follow us on our YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn page, because that's where you could get the real-time update from Guru Schools. For any inquiries, you could always send us an email at either training@guruschools.com or inquiries@guruschools.com, requesting additional information or requesting recorded session link. Today's subject matter expert whom we have 2 faculty. Gender inclusion is very important to us. So we walk the talk, meaning you will always see in our track, there is a gender inclusion. There'll be male as well as female trainer. They will be teaching you this training track. I have the pleasure of introducing Ravindra and Richa. Both of them are part of our ecosystem for the past many years. Ravindra is my senior most faculty. He has over 28 years of experience. Not that I want to date him, how many years he's doing it. But he's been doing this for the past 21 years, 28 years in IT. Both of them are hands-on, working professionals. So apart from training, they have real-time experience working in corporate. They have worked on not only India-based projects, but as well as Pan-Asia, US, Europe, and global projects. So without doing any further ado, let me welcome Ravindra and Richa. It's all yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Devji. It's really great great introduction. Guru School, well, we are associated with Guru School for a few, many years now. Guru School is really a good entity where we started encouraging all, job enthusiasts to progress in their career, evolve in their skill sets, get better job, get better, remuneration, and so on and so forth. And this overall batched training is also kind of another step in that direction. We'll talk in depth, like why, how of it. Just to start with it, we have included inclusion of business analytics, project management, scaled agile, which is called SAFe normally, and product owner. This product owner is basically a product visionary, not a Scrum product owner, because Agile Scrum is also part of the training. Scrum is a role played in overall Agile team, these things. So product owner is basically an independent entity which is going more near to CIOs and CTOs, those kind of scenarios. Okay, we will discuss this thing in detail. I'll share the overall, me and Richa ji will share the overall what are the things we have included in these things, and there's no fixed bundle as such. So we have not included as in number of so many items here. We try to evolve over time, we closely work with IEEE, the computer societies, the project management institutes, and various other institutes, even Agile Alliance and all those things. So we try to include all the latest stuff, the latest best practices, latest tools. As we working remotely nowadays, right, due to COVID and all, which as Devji clearly said, we are working in an area where we have a lot of things still evolving for a remote work. We are still trying to bring ourselves to have the best possible efficiencies within the remote working groups and all those things. So we are still improving on our tool set. So whatever tools available at that time, we'll include those as well. So that's why Devji clearly said the duration is basically what we are looking for, 2.5 to 3 months, or mostly it can go to 3.5 months as well. But predominantly for the giving an estimation type of scenario, we are talking at 12 weeks as of now. Okay, so let's take a step further. I'm Ravindra Pandey. I have 27 years plus experience. I have bachelor's in computers, MBA finance, just completed my law degree. I'm going to do practice in patent, cybersecurity, and copyright laws. I'm being corporate trainer for last 15 plus years. I've traveled around 16 different countries for trainings and all those things. And there are a couple of technical skill set. I normally do trainings on regular basis. I'm really lucky to have Richa ji with me, Richa Saxena ji, closely working on various trainings. So we are kind of good chemistry in terms of how to synchronize training, how to basically address use the best possible experience and tool set we have learned over the years. Richa ji is also quite senior enthusiast. She also likes training. She's actively involved in Agile, Scrum, SAFe alliances as of today. So here we are basically trying to take the best out of whatever industry or whatever skill sets or whatever tools we have in the industry, and all these noble institutes or noble partners with Guru School, they also guide us on this on day-to-day basis, right? So let me go ahead and okay, come on, give me a minute. Okay, let's talk about why we do these things, right? So there are certain things which we have did a bit of research. If you look at the best possible, remuneration or salary, we are looking for a skill set which is much more than a PM, project management, normal project manager, which can include something like business analyst. Because most of the things, even if you look at PM and processes, the business analyst, there are hardly any tool sets inclusion for them. And as far as we are remotely, trying to collect business requirement nowadays to convert it to a functionality and build those high-level diagrams, we are trying to include those skill set of business analysts into this program, and that's why we have business analysts as an inclusion. Project management is the crux, so we're going to do all 10 knowledge areas of the project management, and then we move to overall, scaled agile, and then we move to the product owner. Now this bundle will give you the best possible salaries across the North American and Canadian region. What we are looking for around $250,000, if not less. So if you look at the average salary, these are basically for product owner type of scenarios. So product owner is a kind of product visionary, which is much more than a senior product manager, who basically takes care of something like from envisioning of a product to support, warranty, and all those phases. So this is not a product owner as in scrum role of product owner, right? And that's why the salary goes above or the north of anything, above 100K, and it can reach to up to $250,000 or more than that. We have seen a salary of 280K to be paid by, a couple of good IT companies, Accenture and all in North American region. If you look at these, combination of skill set, just to move to other thing, these are region-wise differentiation of average salary. So we are looking at median here. So normally, if you look, it can go up to 50% higher. So here, what we are looking for as an experienced, skilled person, I'm looking at around a 180K plus salaries to be, precise. These are all, graphs or, these slides taken from biggest company like Product Manager HQ. And then these are taken from, I think, Dice and Monster. So this is how we are trying to target as far as remuneration or the skill upgradation goes. So you can look for salary, anything in the north of 180K plus. And, that's what our study shows. We can go in depth whenever you join training, and, I'll, discuss the other screenshots with you as well. Or we can directly visit the salary, and you can do research on your own as well. So rather than average salary, what we are looking for, 180K plus remuneration, that's what I'm thinking of right now. So let me start with, by giving an agenda as far as today's introductory session. So we'll look at why this combination, BA, PM, SAFe or PO, and then we'll talk about some sort of history of, how we came to this combination of trainings. Then we look at agility, what all cover in agility, agile development, what type of frameworks are we going to discuss overall throughout our course. Job-oriented training, because this is not at all a kind of for training enthusiasts, as Devji correctly put. We are looking for towards a job market, and that's why we build this combination, which is specifically in mind for a better and good remuneration. The way you address the interview, the way you basically go on job, you should know a complete skill set. Even if you talk about simple management, right? Management is a big superset, but what's the most critical things in the management as of today? So here we are talking about BA, PM, SAFe, and PO. If you have these four, you can control any IT project, be it a product management, project management, service or support, and all these type of projects. And that's how we are basically build this project curriculum, and we'll share those things with you in step-by-step way. Additionally, we have a overall personality development. So as Devji clearly said, support, on interviewing, like what are the questions you need to prepare, what type of, questions they appear for vendors, what are the questions for client, and all those things. And then on job support. So if you have any, challenge on job, we will support then and there also, because you need a support for first, 6 to 7 months overall, just to, kind of handling. Whenever you need, a difficulty in, let's say, a new tool or a new, challenging scenario comes in your workforce, you can contact us and we can basically get those things sorted together. It's like a kind of teamwork. So Guru School as in family, Guru School as a team, we try to include you in basically building your career better day by day, walking towards the best possible, success criteria. That's what we talk about. Okay. Then, yes, let's start on overall, introduction session as far as why and what scenario, right? The combination of business analysis, project management, scale agile, and product owner. These are all niche skill set for a senior manager and above category. So if you are a business analyst, you can join us and we can take you to the next level of a manager, senior manager level. If you're a project manager or if you're assistant project manager, APM or something like that sort, we can still help you to take you to a near, senior manager level. I'm not mentioning program manager because as of today, program manager was kind of senior manager. As far as even PMI guidelines say. So if you handle multiple project managers, you are a program manager. Now, when you look at something like product development, program manager mostly look at the escalation part of it. But here we are widening the horizons of a manager. So what we are looking for, product owner is a kind of resource who takes care of each and every project from initiation, the first business talks, try to understand CEOs, CTOs of the client, try to gauge the project, product or services and build it from scratch to a level where the designer architects can take it, elaborate it, and build a good product, project, services, whatever required as per the client needs. So here we are talking about a really senior manager, not just a program manager, but a person who understands the length and breadth of the whole development. So we are looking for a resource manager, project manager, task manager, vendor manager, stakeholder manager, and all the 9 yards of the management overall. And that's how this skill set is been designed specifically for a person who want to levitate his or her career to a level where he can go to a good manager with a better income prospects. That's how we are looking for. We are starting with business analyst, as I told you. Basically, the actual conceptualization, if you are in charge of that conceptualization, you can control the execution up to an nth level. You know what client wanted to start with and how the additions or flexibility, bending the product project support right ways or left, right, whatnot. So how to control those things also, because nowadays the escalation can be not aligned to the business, the product is going haywire and so on and so forth. So to basically tackle such scenario, we have to have a person who is kind of responsible for 0 to the nth level. And that's how we basically build this course material, to have an end-to-end manager to support the whole execution of a typical software, of a typical product, might be mobile product, gaming product, or a number of products and industries we can talk about, be it an auto product for that matters, or a new insurance, rollouts and those things as well. So we are talking a kind of industry independent training as far as business analyst, product management, project management, scaled agile, and a product owner. Now, the way scaled agile is evolving, we'll discuss that thing in a couple of few slides, and Richaji will guide us on that. Scaled agile is basically trying to take an overall agile evolution to a next level for really bigger projects, and the projects which includes also operations, supports, warranty, and those phases always. So they are trying to basically widen the horizons of overall agile, executions. So that's why they call it scaled agile. So SAFE is the overall brand name that's what they've chosen, and that's we are going to learn that thing in depth basically. And as I told you about product owner, right? So we are talking about a person who is at a CEO CTO level who can support CEO CTO with handling multiple projects at the same time, and that's what we are talking about. Okay. Now I'll basically request Richaji to guide us on safe and scaled agile, because she has much ample experience and she's working with quite a few industry as of now on safe and scaled agile models, designing their overall the execution plan, evolution plan. Richaji, could you please?
Yeah, thank you so much, Ravindraji, and thank you so much, Devji, for giving the brief introduction about us. And thank you all for joining us today. So as you have seen my introduction in previous slide, I'm having around 11 years of IT industry experience, and right now working with one of the MNC as a project manager cum Scrum Master. I'm certified as a Scrum Master, and also I have done the certification of Safe Scrum Master. And the other certifications are also there, like ITIL and other. and right now I'm pursuing MBA as well. So this is what my experience in short introduction. Now I'll be here to conduct the sessions on Agile and its different flavors like Agile and Scrum, and why the XP is, what is the XP, what about the Kanban, what exactly the Kanban is, and how they are different from each other, and how Agile and SAFe is itself are different from each other. So this is what we are going to cover without wasting much time over here. Like, why do we need scale nowadays, and what are the benefits of a scale agile? Why do we need it? These all questions we can cover up at the end of this session, and as well as during our sessions. Okay, Ravindraji, can we move ahead? Ravindraji? Yeah. So these are the 12 principles of the Agile. What is Agile? Like, what exactly the meaning of Agile word? Agile means quick and easy to adapt the changes. That is what the Agile is. And the Agile principles or Agile is purely being created based on this concept only, right? We were working fine with the waterfall model. Why do we need Agile in picture? What was the main reasons behind the adapting the change in terms of Agile, right? And what exactly the Agile works. Okay, so I'll give you a short description of Agile here. Agile is not a framework, not a methodology, nothing. Agile is basically a mindset, okay, which has the 4 values and 12 principles around it, and lots of practices. Practices are nothing but the frameworks of the Agile. Okay. Now, when I say Agile is a mindset, so mindset is like a human behavior, a person. Everybody here is having their own mindset, right? And we all work on our daily routine based on our principles and values which we have towards our life. Agree to me? Yes. So similar way, Agile has their own values and principles based on which the Agile founders has defined certain frameworks within which you can achieve your goals. And what is your goal here? Your goal is delivering the product successfully with the highest customer satisfaction, right? Here we will have more interaction with customer, we'll have the short timelines for the reviews of our product, by which what we can do, what we are achieving by having the short duration of the delivery and reviews by the customer. So by this, we'll get the confidence from the customer and as well as the satisfaction of the customer. And on the other side of this, we as a development team will have less waste with our code. Okay. Are you getting my points? Okay, we'll consider it as no questions and nothing is there then. Okay, so these are the 12 principles, like customer satisfaction. I'll go with the high level. Customer satisfaction and the responding to change, and the quick delivery of the software. We believe in delivering the working product in a short duration. Okay, so these all are the principles of Agile, like simplicity. Okay, I would like to focus more on the point number 10, that is simplicity. Okay, please mark it very closely. the art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential here. Okay, what is the meaning of it? The art of maximizing the amount of work not done. It should be that much simplified that all the not done work are maintained in a record, as a record. Okay, and that is basically required here. And that is the main principle of Agile. If you follow Scrum or you follow XP or Kanban, whatever, you should have this principle with you. Okay, the others are also equally important, but this is something which make the audience confused. So that is why I am explaining this part, and apart from this, I'll be explaining all the 12 principles in our regular sessions. So for now, we can move ahead. Ravindraji. This is the structure. I'm not going to make you more confused over here, because SAFe is not an easy thing to understand by one session. Okay, it is a complex framework and it needs some time to get understand and get digested by the audience. Okay, but here I can tell you one simple thing. If you follow Scrum framework, that is restricted to one development team. So that is why Scrum can be used. But when the thing comes for the entire account or for the multiple development teams, so at that point of time, wherein you have the development team, you have the support team, and you have different backend teams and all other layers available with you. So in that case, Scrum would not work. So that is why we have come up with the SAFe framework. Okay, so SAFe gives you the flexibility to opt different agile frameworks. Like one team can follow Scrum, one team can, at the same time, the other team can follow Kanban for their development or for their tracking system. Okay, so that is the major difference between the Scrum and SAFe. Okay, yeah. Ravindraji, we can proceed. This would be like SAFe itself is a complex thing which cannot be explained in one session, right? So we can skip this as well and can move on to next. Portfolio level. I hope you people are aware of what is the difference between portfolio and projects, and the product, portfolio and projects, right? Project is, so when you need to apply Scrum, or you need to move your team from waterfall to agile framework, and you want this to apply onto the portfolio level, it is advisable to go with the scaled agile. So the entire portfolio is working together onto the similar kind of framework, right? That is why we need scaled agile. Okay, now comes the things, DevOps and continuous delivery pipeline. Okay, so continuous delivery pipeline is nothing like its name is already explaining it itself, like continuous delivery. Whenever we need, if you are already into IT industry, you would be knowing that deployment process itself is a very complex and is time-taking thing, right? So there we have the continuous delivery pipeline available, which helps us to reduce the complexity of the deployment and as well as the pain of the deployment team. Okay, this is the continuous delivery pipeline, which we can have more focused discussion on it later on, right? So now Ravindra, we can go further. Team-centric work. Extended guidance for the business and technology replace the current solution icon with the design thinking representation. Team-centered work. How the different teams, as I said, one team would work into Scrum and other team would work into the Kanban. So how the collaboration would happen, how they will be how they will be helping each other, and how we are proceeding further as a team, as an entire big team, or as an entire portfolio. That we are going to discuss. Like, there are several scenarios associated to it. We'll discuss. We'll have more interactive sessions on this, as you all are working professionals. So you also have certain things into your mind, and during the sessions we'll be discussing this and we'll make it more interactive to understand it better. Yeah. Yes, Ravindraji, we can proceed. Yes. Dimensioning the program term. Abbreviative Safe Program Consultant as SPC. Okay, here we have described the program term and the how it works. It's moreover like the different teams, how they work, what is the how we plan the PI. What is PI? PI is program increment, or it is just a chunk of the product, or the piece of the product which we need to release in some time, which would be the collection of different teams' work, right? So how we plan it, how we work onto it, and how we are going to release that product. Okay, there is PI, which is like we need to plan for PI, and PI planning would be the responsibility for all the teams, rather than I should say for the portfolio level, and all the respective people are equally responsible for this PI planning. Yes, can we proceed, Ravindraji? Ravindraji, would you also want to add some point over here, or like?
Yeah, basically.
I just don't want to. I just want to get confused, make them more confused. So that is why I'm not getting into more detail here. But if you want to add up more things, you can please.
Just to couple of things. Let me go over these things. See, the way SAFE have been designed by Agile, PM. Okay, the two major companies or institutions which are doing best possible research around the world is basically Project Management Institute, PMI, and Agile Alliance. Now there are pros and cons. Now we are trying to match both of them with this SAFE. So all these top bosses, they sat together and they came up with this SAFE plan. They call it SAFE because they don't want to contradict with simpler, as Richaji correctly said, mindset or a framework or tool set. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to migrate the PMI level to rules and strict methodologies with combination of these two. So here we are talking about the best practices from PMI over the years, the best practices from Agile, and as we know, Agile Scrum is the best suited framework gone to a micro level of building templates, building specific execution stream. Even they gone to a level of disciplining each and every meeting. We call it Scrum Meet, we call it Project Review Meet. They have basically limited these mindset or framework to a level of controlling these things or building the guidelines at a micro level. Right now, they are trying to go to a level where we are talking about multiple executions, like Richaji correctly said, multiple projects. We don't want to go to a level where we just handle something like program manager. Program manager is mostly management guy. So what about the operational part of it? Now they're trying to include operational value stream as well into the development value stream. So here we are talking about expanding the horizons overall for each and everybody as far as management is concerned. So this is a kind of migration from a typical program manager to a CIO CTO level. So you take care of operations, you take care of understanding the vision, you take care of the designing of the vision, you take care of development of the vision, support, warranty, and all the 9 yards. So here we are talking about a responsible guy rather than just the manager. So this guy, what we are looking for, a role or a typically, personality who can take care of end-to-end executions. That's the most important value stream we are trying to build here. So here we are talking about development of value streams, and that's how they renamed it from an operational streams. And that's why. And then if you go to portfolio level, we are talking about multiple executions. As Richaji correctly said, Scrum was mostly, concentrated on singular executions. Well, they used to have multiple sprint, but then sprint for a given, business goal. Here we are talking about many business goals, many value stream building together. We are talking about and complete IT department or IT portfolio to be, executions right from vision to support and warranty. That's how we are, these things. And this also includes the budgeting part of it also. And we are talking about lean budgeting. So while discussing this framework, the great minds, they also included lean management. So overall, indirectly, implicitly, they've included overall how to be a lean, how to be a cost effective, and those scenario as well. That's the most fun part of it. And when you go to DevOps, as we know, DevOps is a part of multiple tool sets we are talking about. Be it something like CI/CD or continuous delivery pipeline, be it something like Selenium as in testing, be it something like, Agile Scrum, multiple executions with, earn value management. So those kind of scenario, we are trying to build it together. So this includes operations as well, not just the management as in execution of a management or execution of Microsoft project, or, Jira spreadsheets. No, we are talking about including operations, including the release, including the warranty, including the overall value delivery. That's what they talk about. And that's why what we're talking about an end-to-end managers. So we are talking about business technology combination to the solution giving from end to end, starting from inception to the delivery, to the support, to the warranty, and also including, if you look at the product, angle of it, we have a release management. So we have a product like Android version 1, version 2, and so on and so forth. I'm just, sharing this for the example part of it. Now we are Android 10 and 11. So, that 1, 2 was an old one, but still we are looking for a person, or we are looking for managers which are extended to a level where he can take care of the business completely. And now these tool sets, whatever we are developing right now in SAFe 5.1, Scale Agile 5.1, these are targeted towards business owners. That's what they categorically say. So when you say business owners, they own the business completely. So be it something like HR executive not performing, be it something like a good best manager at hand, and so on and so forth. So you try to share the best possible, or the best initiatives across the operations, across the organizations, across the business overall. And that's why we are talking about business technology with solution. And that's the total end-to-end business ownership in SAFe 5, what we're talking about. And then diminishing the program term. Program term is basically, program term is started by a project management institution in late 90s. It was categorically mentioning for multiple executions. These are not just multiple executions. Here we are talking about taking care of business, development, operations, as well as support, warranty, the whole 9 yards, or the complete end-to-end cycle we are talking about. Come again, please. Anybody have any questions? Could you please stop till, this thing? Okay, no problem. So, this is what we are talking about in terms of removing or diminishing the program term, making it less importance, and trying to build a bigger, boundaries, or rather no boundaries. If you ever look at something like business owners, these guys work for the business. These guys work for a vision. These guys work for entity called organization and as a total. And that's what we are taking this program management to. That's why we are stop using program term. We are more using business ownership terms. And that's why the SAFe 5 or 5.1 is most important in the latest execution models. Okay. Now, as we discussed, right? What all, SAFe 5.1, we are still in development of this templatization. We are still in development of building the nth level guidelines as of now, but we are still learning, and we can also contribute with these alliances, so that as a partner of Guru School, we can enrich ourselves to a level where we can be a good mentors, we can be good trainers, we can be a good guidance path for various project managers also. And that's how this course has been designed for. Now, there are various toolkits which we're going to learn. As this workshop is also kind of hands-on workshop, we'll have quite a few number of hands-on case studies to study from, to basically give a shape to trying to understand how does SAFe 5.1 works, how does actually Agile Scrum was working, how does PMI was taking up the project management, or the Microsoft project management plan, or a Jira task management plans, and so on and so forth. So we'll do a comparative study as well in this. And the final and the most important part is basically the project ownership. Now here, we are talking about migration of a typical manager to a product owner, right? This product owner is almost at a level of CIO, CTO, who owns the business, who guides the team technically, who talks about platform, talks about the advantages of a platform, disadvantage of a platform, why to go with SAFe, why not to go with SAFe in case you required in so and so thing. So we are talking about overall building the product strategy. So whenever you're going to lead a product team, we are concentrated on a product strategy. And the next level is basically the CEO type of roles, where we talk about the typical business strategy. So product owners directly work with CEOs, mostly CEOs or CTOs, so that they have a strategic empowerment to guide the complete team with them. And that's how we work. So the SAFe is actually, the Scale Agile is actually bundle up the whole teams for a business with a concentration of products. That's how the whole strategy is getting shaped up. And that's how the whole templatization, whole disciplines, whole, complete guidelines to the nth level, that's how are being shaped up, by leaps and bounds. And just to compare overall, product owner is basically for the value of a product. It starts from overall visioning, then build the needs, requirements, functionality, whatever you call, build the product, talk about product, what it basically solves to, what type of area does it targets to, what type of, uniqueness does your product bring, and so on and so forth. How does it stands out, and so on and so forth. And then target towards a business goal. So we are talking about a product owner who drives the business completely of developing a product from a typical vision, a singular line vision, to an actual product deployment, support, warranty, release cycle, and the whole complete product life cycle. That's what we're talking about. And a single person responsible for such scenario. And we are not talking about changing hats like BA to PM to test manager, release manager, and so on and so forth. One person who is leading all these teams to a unity to build a best possible product at the end and roll out to a warranty, support, and the release cycle as well. Okay, and this is what we're going to discuss. This is not just a kind of typical management program. That's what I'll call. It's a complete skill set bringing up for a manager, or through and through multi-dimensional manager. That's what I'll put it. Okay, let me take you to another slide. Here we are talking about a singular product owner, as we've seen previously. A product owner basically good in who gets the overall market research from a BA, and then work with project managers, work with different release manager, test manager. It's a kind of shared ownership we talk about. So the single product owners ownership get reduced during the product life cycle, right? But we are talking about a product owner who will be kind of leading the complete teams to the end of the product's life till you diminish the product. The product owner is kind of leading the complete team, be it something like BA team, be it something like project managers team, be it kind of support team, release team, whatever you call it. So we are looking at a kind of senior product manager who is almost touching a role of CIO, CTO. And that's how we are looking forward of upskilling the participants so that they know these tool sets, they can address these tool sets, and they can understand these templatization and a discipline which SAFe 5 brings to you, right? So that's what we are talking about. And of course, why scaling? Because we scale up. We are going to be a bigger, product owner in terms of leading the complete team of be it a feature owner, bring it a, separate ownership within you if that's a need, if the team is too big. Because if you look at the SAFe 5, they're talking about at least multiple execution to the scale of 3 and plus, right? So in those scenarios, we might have a kind of distributed product ownership to an nth level, right? So this nth level ownership, we are talking about, we can have something like feature owner who will lead the overall research and guidance team, building the functionalities, prioritizing scenario for deployment, and the component owner always, as well, which will basically take care of the overall different module development, different task alignment, the resource sharing, and all those things. So there could be a kind of scaling options where we can have a product owner leading all these part owners. Part owner might not be a relevant word here. Feature owner, component owner, and so on and so forth. So we can rename it such. It's not just the renaming, it's basically defining the ownership in terms of what part of a product you are trying to execute in the best possible scenario. It can be something like validating, prioritizing, feature, adding some different features, prioritizing. Then we have component functionality, working with different dev teams, and so on and so forth. Okay. And then other scaling options, we can have a product A, we can be basically disintegrated to product A and product B, and we can have two different product owners working together with us for a given product. And the third option, a chief product owner, and we can have a couple of tactical product owner as well. Just to make sure if the product is really big, we can have a good helping and a good hierarchy of a teams working with the product owner closely, so that everything is manageable on the ground as well. So these type of scaling options, we are still improvising. We are still building better and better, templatization, better and better discipline, step by step. Okay, that's all for the overall, guidance point which I have thought about. If I missed any, please feel free to ask questions. If you're confused, please free to ask questions. Devji, I'll hand it over to you. Could you please?
Yes, thanks, Ravindra. Thanks, Richa. So welcome back again. This is Dev. What you see on a screen, these are the FAQs. Basically, we are doing this for the past 2 decades. Often people ask these questions. So we simply summarized it. Then we self-answer, and then if any additional questions and those questions are unique, we incorporate them in our FAQs for the next sessions. Okay. As I mentioned again, the 3 months or the 4 months of training course journey, we are trying to summarize in an hour-long presentation. That's not a true justice to what you'll be getting into. It's like a movie trailer, it's a teaser, right? So the teaser is good enough for you to get interested into what you're looking to do. This particular track is for people, as I said, who wants to have a leg up on the competition. Okay, whether you are sales, marketing, client management, account management, business analysis, project analyst, admin assistant, right? General administration, this is the way to go. Okay, the salary will be anywhere between the region, the client, duration, and what they're looking for, between 140,000 to $250,000, if not more. It's a hybrid sandwich course, okay, which is the need of the hour. So we'll take the questions. Richa, Ravindra, who wants to ask the questions, and I will self-answer, and then we will take additional questions.
Yeah, sure. We both can have it. We both can have it.
Start.
So please, we are open to have the questions, and we'll be happy to answer your queries.
Yeah. First, we will take from the FAQs. First question: when is this training starting?
Yes.
Very simple question, right? Yeah. So this is what, Richa, I want you to ask me, so that question by question I can answer it. So typically, it's a 3-month-long journey, minimum 3-month long. 3 months can become 4 months also, depending upon the student participation, how big the class is, how interactive the class is. Okay. Again, the intent here is not to throw videos and we are gone. We will hold your hand till the finish line. I say that again and again. Okay? It's you who needs the job, or it's you who needs the career advancement. So unless you give your 100%, I cannot really do a justice to the role which we are eyeing for. Okay. If you give 100%, yes, we will help you. So this is a very prolonged journey. Okay, 3 month, 4 month. It's very painstaking too, right? 3 sessions in a week, 2 hours each. These are all recorded sessions through Zoom, like what we are doing. So even if you miss a session here and there, in light of family emergency, health emergency, work emergency, or some other emergency, you can always go back, look at the recording, and come up to the speed. Needless to say, periodically, bi-weekly, once a month, we have a review sessions, practice sessions. So we'll go over in a fast-forward mode what we taught for the whole month. Now, when we start the new batch, well, enrollments. Once we get minimum of 3 enrollments, we start the batch. Okay. It has to be a viable business model too. It's free for you guys. I'm spending money from my pocket. Needless to say, the trainers are here. Apart from training and helping you, they are here to make money too, and they are committing 3 months of their life. So there has to be a minimum quorum of an X number of people. So that number is 3 students. We have on an average training participation between, I would say, 8 to 12 students in most of the training classes. Okay. That's the first thing. So we are recording this. It will go in the market. We'll record it, put it on our YouTube channel so that people can watch it, and then enrollment will start. I would say it takes about 2 weeks minimum to get at least 3 enrollment. So looking at where we are, I guess second week of September is what we'll be eyeing for in terms of starting this batch. Needless to say, I believe in miracles. If we get enrollment this week, next week, we can start whenever we get 3 enrollments. So that's the answer for question number 1. Once we have at least 3 or 4 enrollment, we start the training course. The dates and the timings are about 9 o'clock p.m. EST. The dates are flexible. Once you'll be ported in that separate group, then it's between you and the trainer. Okay, either whether it's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. It varies by the trainer. The days, the time remains during the weekdays, 9 p.m. Yes, we take practice sessions over the weekend, and those practice sessions, those revision sessions, those mock sessions, we are more flexible. It can be the morning sessions, afternoon sessions, evening session. Yes, Ravindra.
Yeah. Next question. Along with the training, will also guide and help towards actual certification?
Yes. Well, the simple question should be, I need a job. How can you help me get a job? But yes, for some strange reason, people are more interested in certification than to get a job. Yes, we will help you. There will be a diploma certificate from Guru Schools, something which you can write in your resume, your LinkedIn profile, that you have successfully completed a diploma certificate in so and so. And yes, if you are looking for a certification or 2, we can also help you, guide you, giving you the dumps, prepare you, so that helps you towards getting that feather in your hat. So the answer is, whatever it helps to get you a job, and if certification is a subset of that journey, we will be helping you. Next question.
Will you also help us towards market our resume and get a job?
Needless to say, the answer is yes. If you were to do it on your own, I'm sure you will do it. Unfortunately, many of you don't have mentorship with the bigger companies. You don't understand the ecosystem. It's a full service firm, right? As I said, 6 pillars. Training is first pillar. Diploma certification is the second pillar. Having a reference ready resume preparation is the third pillar. Having a vendor interview preparation is the fourth pillar. Having a client interview preparation is the fifth pillar. And then placement and project support is the sixth pillar. So most of you, if you could do it on your own, then you would have gotten a job, right? But majority of you cannot do things on your own. And that's where the need of an agency like us. Plus, we are a minority business. The corporate America is big on giving reservation, and an X% of business must go to a minority owned or a reservation firm, which we are. So many of you have the Asian Indian heritage, so you understand how the reservation system works. We're about 1.5% of the population, so we all are minority, irrespective of our ethnicity, caste, religion, and all. So if you're an Indian American, you're a minority. Since I own the firm, it's a minority business enterprise, and hence we get the reservation. Many of these global outsourcing companies, they are foreign companies. They're headquartered in India. They do not get the minority certification. Whereas the corporate America have 5, 10, 20, 30, 40% reservation spent for minority business, which means these global outsourcing companies, they might have all the capability in the world, but they cannot bid on those RFIs and RFPs on their own. They must beg with agency like us. That means it's a ready business coming to us, okay? Wherein they do the intricate project management, delivery, and other complex things. And we are more focused on people placement, project placement, which is where you all get help on, okay? Because they have to show the spend that an X% spend was given to the minority business, which is companies like us. So you will be not only getting marketed, your resume will be prepared with a proper project inclusion, technology inclusion, domain inclusion, client inclusion, with all the bells and the whistles. It will be getting marketed appropriately. There is no marketing is required. Basically, we work with all major companies. We have their portal access. We know, everything falls in our plate, right? Meaning we will have all the requirements, and basically it will be given to you, right? You have to raise your hand saying, take me, take me, take me, and we will submit you. Like you, there will be other people. So first come, first serve, right? Crying baby gets the milk. So because we work with all major Indian outsourcing companies, things comes to us. We tell you, these are the open positions. If you're awake, you will get submitted. If you're sleeping, then other people will get submitted. Because more and more submissions you get, because we are direct to these companies, we get top dollars. As we get top dollars, you get top dollars, meaning there are no multiple layers involved. So because of that, everybody stays happy in the entire ecosystem. And the vendors trust us. The vendor wants to give that minority business to us. And hence they play in our favor in terms of, it's a global deployment. They have people on site, off site, near shore, offshore. So they know the environment. They will tell you what the environment is, what the client expectations are. Once you know what the expectations are, with the help of the trainer, you'll have answers to those questions. So, before going for the exam, if you have the questions and answers, you will come out with the flying colors. Getting a job, no problem. Keeping a job is a problem, because the day-to-day intricacies, problem areas, deliverables is where it can be challenging. And that's where, again, we have the trainers, and they will have the rock solid support, and they will stay with you so that nothing falls through the crack. Okay, so answer is, whatever it takes to help you get a job, we will take you and we will hold your hand. We will take you to the finish line. I cannot drag you. You have to walk or you have to run with me. If you run, you will reach the finish line faster. If you crawl, you will reach finish line much slower. Choice is yours. Next question, please.
Yeah. Will you also help us towards giving project supports? I believe you answered that as well.
Yeah, I answered that. So without that, again, you will struggle. Nobody learns in a mother's womb, right? It's our initial days of crawling, walking, talking, running, bicycling, riding a motorbike, driving, swimming, everything, cooking. We needed help, right? And that's where someone from the family or an expert gave us that much needed help. Without that help, we will mess things up. So consider us as that family, consider us as that union. We provide that much needed help. Because you cannot make mistakes in corporate America. If somebody is giving you $80 or $100 per hour, they expect you that you will do that job right the first time itself. So with the help of the trainer, you are able to have minimal downtime. You are able to do the job first time right. Next question, please.
How many trainers you have giving the training and verification and project support?
Yeah, so basically, as I said, gender inclusion is big to us. We always make sure there are at least 2 trainers for a course. So for this course, you have already heard from 2 trainers, Richa and Ravindra. They both are experienced lateral hires working professionals. These are not kids with 2 years or 3 years of experience who got some recordings from YouTube or from somewhere and they just throw at you and took some money and they're gone. Many of you get stuck in those kind of scenarios. So if you're looking for a career, always ask a question. The question is, how will you train? No. The question is, how can you place me? Do you have clients? Have you placed people? Show me your clients. Spend some time, research on them, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on their website, on a social platform. Look around if people are working with them. So do the due diligence from your side. Now, having said that, we might have placed zillion people, but if you are not proactive, and if you are not only training, that 2 months or 3 months will not help you. Okay, let me tell you candidly. If you think miracle will happen, abracadabra will happen, and then you will get a job one day, somebody will tell you, hey, you got 150,000. No. Along with the training, we have tracks parallelly working on. Whether it is vendor interview preparation, resume preparation, rate negotiation, LinkedIn makeovers, right? Mock vendor interview, mock client interview. These are separate sessions. Those sessions will get you a job. This 3 months of training at a fundamental level gives a good overview as to what this course topic is. The other sessions which we do every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock, if you cannot join those sessions, attend those sessions, then you are warming the chair. You can take the training and you are idling it. So again, crying baby gets the milk. The more proactive you are, the more attentive you are, because that's where my sales team comes in, my delivery team comes in. So you can ask pointed question. What happened to my this submission, that submissions, or my resume? Why am I not getting submissions and all? Because out of sight, out of mind. If you don't exist for us, then unfortunately we cannot market you. But if you're coming for those sessions, right, even the sales team sees you and your proactivism, and they will put that extra push and they can reverse market you. Meaning they'll take your resume and we will go to our Birlasoft and HCL and Mindtree, L&T, Virtusa, Persistent, Dices, all our clients. And we will say, hey, do you have a project for someone like this? We are aggressively marketing him or her. So that will only happen if you attend those sessions. And these are not training sessions. Other thing is to expect after training you will become as rockstar as what Ravindra is, who has slogged for 28 years. You are fooling yourself. Okay, you get a good overview. The client is talking to you, the vendor is talking to you not because of you. They are talking to you because of Guru Schools and Guru Schools framework. Okay. Number one, we are a minority business. Number two, we are a vendor for all these companies. Number three, we have a formal offering, hiring locals, meaning hiring people from a particular region who do not require any sponsorship, hiring women, that means ladies hiring, or hiring women in STEM, hiring ladies in science and technology. Everybody wants larger number of ladies in the IT workforce. From 20 to 23%, you want to go to 50%, but nobody wants to do the grunt work. Nobody wants to help them. Right? In general, a woman has a more career cyclicality because of, marriage, motherhood. It can be more challenging for a woman than to her male counterpart. Everybody agrees. But who will help after post-maternity, perinatal, postnatal break? Who will bring her up to the speed, give her internal project, revise, retool her? Very few agencies do that. So we are those few agencies where the corporate America works with us towards that, helping the ladies get back in the workforce, reigniting their career post-maternity. Why we do that? It's laborious, it's painstaking, but as a man, I exist because of a woman. We must do it. We have to give a strong foundation where a woman can have or can reignite her career too. Okay. So it goes a long way towards getting more and more women employees in corporate America, because that's the mandate, that's the charter. And these are some of the things because of which we become successful. The clients are talking to you for those things. And needless to say, they know you are trained. They also know you are much cheaper than the lateral people. And you have a balance between being a comparatively priced and though you are trained, having a proper backup by the trainer. So they know that you will not drop the ball. Everything is remote these days. End of the day, the manager gives an assignment and then he or she wants the job to get done. And you will do it with the help of the trainer. We all need support at some point of life, right? So that's where Guru Schools as an organization will help you with that much needed help. Okay. So as I said, we will hold your hand and we will take you to the finish line. It's up to you how fast you want to run with us. So how quick you need a job, how proactive you are, how many sessions you're attending. These are all permutation and combinations will decide whether you get a job in 2 months or whether you get a job in 1 year. Okay, next question, please. Ravindra?
I think he has lost the internet connection.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
So we can have the live questions.
Yeah, some of you have questions, can ask us now. No question? Okay. So this is what we have. I thank you all for joining the session. As I said, the recording will be posted on our website. Bhimi Reddy, Ravi Reddy, Bhimi Reddy, Ravi Reddy. Well, this is all free. Bhimi Reddy, Ravi Reddy. I'm just reading the name as it appears on the screen. So this is about $8,000 to $12,000 investment otherwise, right? From training to resume preparation, vendor interviewing, client interviewing, and project support for 6 months. This will be free for you if you were to work on Guru Schools project. So the modus operandi is when you enroll with a $500 deposit, and that deposit is refunded to you once you finish your training and once you work on our project for a minimum of 3-month long duration. So with your 4th month salary, you get your deposit back, and hence it is free for you. Which also means if you do not finish the training, you just go missing in action, or you refuse to work for us on our project, whatever the reason may be, you forfeit your deposit. We are here to help you. Unless you make money, I cannot make money. So we are more eager to help you and place you and make sure you work on our projects, because unless you work on our project, there is no money for you, there is no money for us. It's a union, right? So it is free for you if you adhere to these things. If not, then it's a problem. I bleed and you bleed too. Okay. Next question was, are these going to be virtual sessions and will this be recorded? I answered that these are all Zoom sessions, these are all cloud hosted sessions. They all will be ported on our YouTube channel, and then you have click and play. The more you go through the revision, the more you practice, the more it prepares you. So again, you need a job, not Devendra, not Ravindra, not Richa, not me. It's you. So who needs to give that 100%? Is always you. Okay, the next question is, will there be additional practice sessions, preparatory sessions for the certificate? Not only for the certification, for the job. Okay, again, as I said, these are FAQs. Unfortunately, people ask questions more for certification. Very minimal time people ask questions for a job. The question is job, job, job. Okay, so more FAQs can be changed, the more frequency of questions if that were to be changed. So yes, there are extra sessions. So say for example, if the training is Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 p.m., 9 to 11 p.m. Eastern time, along with that, every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock, you have other parallel sessions running on towards your practice sessions, mock interview sessions, vendor interview, client interview, escalation management, rate card management, LinkedIn makeovers. All these sessions are running. And then, you have to attend as many of those sessions as you can. Okay. Next question will be, will you also help towards preparing for the interview and find a job? Well, without our help, if you can get a job, you should have gotten a job by now. That's not happening because there is a problem. Right? It's all rigged system. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. You need to be vendor for these big companies. If you were to go through 2 to 3, 4 layers down, basically, it's just cumbersome, and then there is no money on the table. So the more you play as one team and the more you work with an agency who have preferred vendorship, the better it will be for you, the better it will be for us. How long does it take to join Guru Schools after training? Well, it's up to you how quickly you need a job. So if you need a job, along with the training, you will work parallelly on resume preparation, vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation, mock sessions and all. But some people don't do that. They will first spend 3 months in training. Then they will wake up, oh, training is done, now what should I do? Okay, let's start on a resume. Then another 1 month or 2 months goes in resume preparation. Then our sales team will start marketing. Now for that breed, it will take 5 months to 8 months to get a job. The smart people, what they will do, parallel to training, they will start working on their resume, they will start preparing their resume, they will start marketing their resume. So by the time 2 months or 3 months the training is ending, in real time their resume is ready to go and they start getting marketed. And those people will be in and out. Like we've just last month, one of the candidates we placed, I think that was the quickest we have placed. We placed Shilpa within 6 weeks of she enrolling. Other people normally we place 4 months, 3 months, 5 months, depending upon how aggressive they are. It's the candidate. If you want to be like Shilpa, if you want to be like Roshni, if you want to be like Rahul and all, yes, you will be in and out within 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Otherwise, if you want to be a slow train, go at your pace, you will take more time, because that's up to you, your prerogative, right? It's all boils down to how aggressive you are and how quick you want the job. So if you are proactive, you will attend these sessions religiously. If you're not attending these sessions religiously, that means you're not proactive, right? So our efforts goes to the people who are proactive. Because like you, we train and we place over few hundred people every year. And the priority of those people is the crying baby gets some milk. Okay. Will you help us interview, find a job? Yes. Does it require any programming experience as a mandatory requirement? Well, programming, any kind of a technical background, it always helps. Okay. Having said that, these are functional tracks. Okay. So again, any programming, any IT knowledge helps, but this particular track is more functional in nature. The key ingredients are social skills, organizational skills, attention to details, and then basically usage of Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So if you think you're social, if you think you have good English communication skills, written and spoken, if you know how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you're good. Okay, next question is, can we get a remote job? Well, we need to ask China. Depending upon the virus and the pandemic, it varies by that. But the way I'm looking, most of the clients have told us until this year end, everything is remote in light of the pandemic. 2022, I'm not an Nostradamus, so I cannot see in the future. I can only tell you what I'm aware of. So, this is anomaly. These things doesn't happen every now and then. So it's a great opportunities for those who are looking to start a career, those who have restrictions, family responsibilities, and they want to get in. It's much easy to clear a phone interview. It's much easy to get the project support when you're working remote. It's much easy to take care of the other household responsibilities and have a balance between work and career. How long will it last? When will it things will be back in normal? I don't know. Okay. There are many other institutes who are charging a lot of money. Why this is free? Well, this is free because this is free. We want to help you. If we also charge money like other people, well, this training, if you were to do it, about 3 or 4 tracks, it will be at least $3,000-4,000 you'll be spending. Average business analysis course itself will charge you about $1,000-2,000. So these are 3-4 different technology tracks which you'll be taught. The trainers are getting paid. We are investing in you. In the long run, we hope we recover our investment. Okay. These are difficult times. I mean, last year, 11 million people lost a job. This year, about another 10 million people will lose a job. It's very gloomy and it's very pessimist environment. So when you have so many problem areas, on top of it, now to invest for your skills advancement or for learning an IT and getting into IT, many of those customer service centric, general administration centric jobs, they're long gone. They were the first to go and get downsized. So we are simply trying to help as many people as we can, especially those who wants to have a career. This is free, contingent upon you work for us on our project. There are so many other agencies. I request you, suggest you, please do your homework. Go in the market, Look for companies these days. Everybody's offering virtual. Look for the course content. Look for the charges and the fees, and also spend some time looking them up, doing some research for them on professional networking sites or from your contacts, and then make that final decision. Okay. Do not force yourself. Do not be an impulse buyer. Do your research because you are planning for your career. Okay. Like we spend so much time for our Thanksgiving, Black Friday shopping, please invest so much time in building and preparing for your career too. Many of you spend more time in ordering for a food, unfortunately, than to prepare for your career, which is a sad state of affairs. Okay. Many of you so much time watching for a movie, preparing for a movie, than to figuring it out what career to opt for. So these are important things. Having two paychecks is much better in light of ever-changing landscape of the employment. We are there to help you, but please judge us by doing your due diligence, by doing your all research. And after that, if you think we can help you, and you think and you trust in us, we are there to help you. Relationship, trust is very important. That positivity is the key. Yes, some of you will get a job in 2 months, some of you will get a job in 6 months. That's not the point. The point is, each one of you is my child. I know some of you are smart and I know some of you are average. We don't differentiate. We will still be holding hand to each one of you. And we will try to take each one of you to the finish line. It's up to you to leave our hand. Okay? Hence it is free, because Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. These are difficult times. People are struggling. Pandemic, most of us are seeing it for the first time, because this has happened after 100 years. So unless you were born in 1920, then you know what has happened back then with the Spanish flu. So many of us were not born back then. So we don't know, we have only heard the horror stories. Now we are experiencing that horror story. Now with what's happening in the Middle East and the Asian continent, more and more people coming in here, the job market will become more and more worse. We will have more challenges ahead of us. So please prepare yourself. Please be more proactive. Okay. And what's the last question, Ravindra?
Is this same process for other technology training tracks at Guru School, like Deposit 500 and working for your client later?
Yeah, I already answered that question.
That's right.
So if you need a job, we are there to help you. Please focus on job. Many of you, these FAQs again, this is not my question. These are questions asked by people like you. Focus should not be on mere certification. Certification doesn't help you get a job. The question should be, will you help me get a job? Like 1 or 2 people have FAQs, we have mentioned that. So focus on basically, how can I get a job? Okay. Anyone have any other question? Can ask me now. Otherwise, we want to wrap it up in an hour's time. We will edit that 1 minute challenges which we have had with the system. Otherwise, this recording will be shared on our website. Go through it. If nobody have any other question, I want to thank you for giving your time, and all of you have a great day ahead. Thank you.